Hey guys, I'm Aravind from Mr. Aravind Tech. Yesterday I made a video about how to track anyone's location on internet. On that video, we got the correct location, but anyone can use the method to track anyone's location on internet. But in this video, we are going to make our location untrackable. If somebody do the past video technique to track your location means they does not get the exact correct location of you. They will get wrong location about you only. Your location will become untrackable. Disclaimer, this video is only for education purpose. Okay guys, if you're new here, I am Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's see how to make our location untrackable. Okay friends, I'm going to do the same technique that we yesterday done. I'm going to iplogger.org and I'm making a IP logging URL like yesterday how we did. Okay, I got the URL. I'm going to copy this URL here and I'm going to open your interrogator mode and I'm paste this URL and hit enter. We got the black screen, the usual replay, and in background we got the IP address. Let's check the analytics. Copy this link and paste here on new tab. Yeah. Okay, here we got our IP address. This is what we done on yesterday to finding IP address. Let's check this. Let's track this IP address. Copy this and go to iptracker.com. Okay, scroll down here. Paste the IP address and click trace IP with IP tracker. And down here we got the location and many details about my IP address. So my location is trackable. So let's try another thing. I'm going to do same this on another browser. I'm doing this in Chrome. Here it shows Windows system and it shows it's accessed by Chrome. Now I'm going to do the same on Firefox. Let's see what's going to happen. And copy this link and paste here on Firefox and hit enter. We got the usual replay like blank screen. In Okay, let's check the analytics. Let's refresh it. Okay, I refreshed here. Here we got the another browser request. Here I got the same IP address and there is a browser name called Firefox. Let's track this IP also. Going to the same IP tracker website, paste the IP and see the details. It shows the same details about me, like everything. Okay, but here is the thing to make you private on internet. Okay, I'm going to paste this link on Tor browser and see the analytics. I'm going to paste and hit enter. The usual replay we got, and I'm going to the analytics. Here, refresh it. Yeah, here we got the analytics. By using Tor, our IP was changed and our country name was changed. But I'm in India. It's showing United States. I'm not use any VPN for this. Okay, let's track this IP. Okay, now we not get the usual data that we get when using Chrome and Firefox. Here everything is different, like continents is unknown, country is anonymous proxy, and state is unknown, city is unknown, ISP. Everything was changed. This is not my real identity. By using Tor, we can secure our location and make our location as untrackable. And I'm going to tell another way to make our location untrackable. I have a VPN here using VPN. I have a VPN here. Connect your VPN now. wait for a few minutes. It will take some more time to connect, but use a best VPN. Here I am showing this VPN just for example, but if you want to make your location untrackable means you need to use best and secure VPN. If you want to know which is best and secure VPN means, comment below. I will make a separate video for that. Okay, now our VPN was connected successfully. Here our VPN was connected. Now we're going to do the same thing on our browser, on our Chrome browser itself, not in another browser. Here I'm going to the interrogator tab, paste this link and hit enter. The usual blank screen. Let's check the analytics. Okay, here refresh it. Okay, here we got a different replay, like our IP address was different here and our country was different, but the browser was same. The browser name is only the same thing. Here my location, my country was changed, my IP address also changed. Okay, let's track this IP address and see what it's showing. Copy this, go to IP tracker, paste this. It will show like this because we connected VPN, so it redirecting to my VPN client server. Okay, here we have the tracking info. See, our my continent was Europe, country was Netherlands, capital was, everything was changed differently. By using Tor, it not show many of details, but by using VPN, it show all details, but everything is fake. By using Tor and using VPN, you can make yourself untrackable in internet. Okay guys, that's about this video. Hope this video will give you knowledge about how to make you untrackable on internet. In spite of using VPN, you can use Tor browser. Tor browser will make more secure than the VPN does, because using onion network will secure more than VPN. If you want to know more about Tor, watch my this video. I will explain how the Tor network works, how the communication happens, and everything about Tor network. I give this link on description and cards also. Check out the video. Okay guys, hope this video will informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments. I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off, Aravind from Mr. Aravind Tech.